if you know what I feel, and if you feel the same way too, just close your eyes. You're not alone. Come on! Time to put you in my prime. Let me tell you right there, you're a friend of mine. And I'm used to getting close if we can't spend time. We can do it like this with a twist of line. Always on my mind, not the freak of the week. Take the words I speak to every soul I reach. Precise with the touch on the microphone. Extra large is here and you're not alone.
You are not alone.